May I come in?
Yes, please come in. Hi, have your seat.
Thank you.
Your name?
Vinay.
Vinay. Okay, fine. So, hi Vinay. Welcome to the round one for the role of C# developer.
Yeah.
So, I'm Manaswini. I'm the senior talent acquisition specialist working with NewZen Infotech from the past 2.5 years. So, NewZen Infotech has also been a game changer in placements and staffing. So, I've been dealing with the recruitment of freshers like you. So, to start off with, like that is my introduction. So, can you tell me about yourself, Vinay?
Thank you, ma'am, for your introduction for me. My name is Vinay Jilala. I have completed BTech in the year of 2024 in the stream of computer science engineering.
Okay.
And I have a strong hands-on experience on programming languages and software development skills. And I have projects held on deepfake detection using convolutional neural network and graduation aggregation prediction using machine learning. And my long-term goal, my short-term goal is to become a good reputative company. And my long-term goal is to become an entrepreneur. And that's it, ma'am.
Sure. So thank you so much for that. You passed out year, you told this year results, 2024.
Yes,
so can you tell me the month?
June, ma'am.
June. So June to October, right? So what is your journey from June to October? Like what did you do?
In this period of time, I realized that I want to gain. I want to learn some new skills like in the market. In the present market, we have some .NET and something Java and Python. They are all growing in market.
Okay.
That's why I need to learn some new technology. That's why I choose C#.
Oh, okay, fine. So I was about to ask you, like you have learned Java and Python, and this is the role for C#. So do you know something about C#? That's fine. You have told it.
Yes.
So this round we'll be checking your communication as well as your technical knowledge over.
Yes,
And the questions that I got from my technical team, I will try to ask it. So just give me a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, these are the questionnaire that I got. So yeah, can you tell me about like HTML semantic elements?
Yes, ma'am. In HTML, semantic elements are simply we say that semantic HTMLs are to simply identify the browser and also a developer. While we developing a project, we use semantic to read to understand very well. Even though if you are left from company or something, this semantic HTML tools are helpful and it can be understood by developer. In semantic elements are two types, and they are semantic tools and semantic elements and non-semantic elements. And semantic elements simply it clearly defined. In non-semantic we cannot say, it cannot be defined. For example, in semantic we have a side, header, footer. These are elements. In non-semantic we have div and some div tags, they are etc.
Oh, okay, fine, fabulous. So in C#, like I wanted to know how good are you. So can you tell me what are the things that you know about collections in C#?
Yes, ma'am. Collections are used to, I am saying in simple words, collections are used to design and store and updating our data. In collections we are using data manipulation. Data manipulation is nothing but updating, storing and retrieving data. In collections we have three types: system.collections and system.collection generic, system.collection non-concurrent.
Okay.
In older versions we are using system.collections. In system.collections we have arrays, list, queue and stock. These are all. This is the old version. Nowadays we are using a new version. That's why the system.collections and generic are implemented. There are the updated version for the old version. We are using, there is a drawbacks in system.collections. The drawbacks overcome, they introduce system.collections are generic.
That's it?
Yes,
okay, good. Thank you so much. So let us talk about let us have a discussion over few HR questions.
Yes,
So can you tell me like what is your latest project and what is your roles and responsibilities in that?
My latest project during my graduation time, I work on a deep fake face detection using convolutional neural network. The situation at the time while I am scrolling the internet, when I am scrolling the WhatsApp, I saw one deep fake about Rashmika Mandana. I deeply researched on it, what the technology behind is it, and how we should overcome this threat. That's why we research and I gathered some information on by using ILTS websites. The project name is Deepfake Detection Using Convolutional Neural Network. The based on convolutional on a domain called convolutional neural network. This is the domain for I choose. This is the perfect for this project itself. I trained deep fake face detection models. In the data set, we have more than 120k real faces and fake faces. I trained, and while gathering this, implementing, and when you are, I take some pictures from anywhere who are real or fake, and implement it, and it gives this 92% of accuracy. If you modify or real or fake, the model will be tell the result is.
Okay, fine. Good. I think it's one of the relevant projects at that time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thank you so much for that, and try to have this impact over different kind of topics that are trending.
Yes, ma'am.
So, a regular question that every person will expect. So, what inspires you to come to the work?
I am highly motivated by this opportunity. I learn new skills and taking strong communications. And in current my situation, I am learning new skills and improving strong. And because I am a highly adaptable of work ethic and a strong positive attitude.
Okay, fine. Okay, so can you tell me about your family background?
Yeah, we are 3 members. We are belongs to nuclear family. My father was a farmer and my mother was a housewife.
So where do you belong actually?
Nuclear family.
No, where do you belong? Place, location?
Location, Nalgonda.
Nalgonda. Okay, fine. No worries. Okay, so what does full stack development mean to you?
Basically, full stack development is a complete application. When the full stack means, when simple word says, design a application and deploy in a server. It's called a full stack development. In full stack development, we have 3 types of phases. First one is presentation, second one is business logic layer, and third one is a database layer. In presentation layer, we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In business logic layer, we have a programming language like C#. I choose it. And database layer, we have so many types like MongoDB, MySQL, these are. But I choose MySQL server. Presentation layer, business logic layer, we have connected ASP.NET active server page. And business logic layer and database layer, we have connected through the ADO active domain object, active data object.
Fabulous. So thank you so much for your time, Vinay. Whatever the responses that you have told, I have captured, and I will forward your candidature to the technical team. So they will get back to you with the round 1 feedback and whether you will be going forward to the round 2 and round 3. And I hope to see you in round 2 because of your good technical knowledge and you're willing to learn the things. So she will get back to you. And before we wrap up, do you have any questions to me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I have one question? Basically, how the company will project management, how that type of.
So we do have number of clients, and as ours is a very small scale company, we want to give that one-to-one attention to each and every employee so that they can have a rejuvenating professional experience. So for this, we'll be trying to acquires lot of clients. Like we do have one of the clients called Coforge and another client called Infotech. So whatever the projects that they do have, different kind like C#.NET, ASP.NET, MVC, ADU.NET. So we try to get even more exposure and client interactions with them, and we encourage the freshers like you to have more and more interactions with them, so that you can have that kind of exposure, how big shot companies work, how top 500 companies work, and how the projects will start, and project meetups, and what are the updates to managers, to the client members, and what are the additions from client and deletions from the client as needed. So regular interactions need to be done, and this is how the project management goes. And we do have project managers who has been PMP certified, and yeah, I think this is the way I can give a gist to you. But once you have been hired with us, you can have the full and fledged procedure alignment once you get in. So I think I might give a lot of information, but at the time being, I can give this is the information. So I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Thank you so much for the question, Vinay, and thank you so much for your time that you have allotted for this round one. I hope to see you in the round two.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.